Welcome to Nice Insulation Sales and Service, manufacturer and service provider of industrial insulation and HVAC system. The company was incorporated in 2011. At Mumbai, we have spread our wings to Kenya, South Africa and Middle East. Thermopack Boilers and Cisco Research Laboratory are some of our prestigious clients, and we are backed by cost-effective solutions and flexible payment modes. We offer a vast range of thermal insulation contractors, repair, and maintenance services. Ventilation systems, piping fabrication, and acoustic works offered by us are a class apart. Our industrial blowers, false ceiling works and polyurethane insulations are in huge demand across the global markets. We are known in the industry as the manufacturer of air handling units, kitchen hoods, and insulation consultant services. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing thermal insulation services, industrial blower for chemical and polyurethane insulation for rubber industry. Our organization is instrumental in offering a wide gamut of kitchen hood for homes, insulation contractors services and ductwork services. To get more details, please visit our website www.niceinsulation.com.